If you're experiencing integration errors on the app and the Air platform, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issues quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can cause integration errors. Step 2. Update the app. Make sure you have the latest version of the app in the Air installed. Go to your device's app store, search for the app, and update it if a new version is available. Step 3. Review account permissions. Verify that your account has the necessary permissions for integrations. Check your account settings and ensure that all required permissions are enabled. Step 4. Reconnect integrations. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Contact support. If the problem persists after trying the above steps, reach out to the app and the Air support team. Provide them with details about the error and any troubleshooting steps you've already taken. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve integration errors on the app and the Air quickly. If issues continue, don't hesitate to seek further assistance.